Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to lock PayPal card. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com. When you did that, you can also go and download the application from the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have. And then just need to go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you already do not have an account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the home, send, wallet, activity, and help options. And we have the send and request options here also. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and log PayPal card. So first of all, you need to log into your PayPal account. As I already told you, open the web browser on the PayPal or go to the PayPal mobile app and log into your PayPal account using your username and password. Go to the wallet tab. As you can see, we have 6 tabs here, which are home, send, wallet, activity, and help. You just need to go and click on the wallet tab. Once you're logged in, navigate to the wallet tab as I already told you. Of course, click login. Select your PayPal cash card in the wallet. So you have to, of course, have a card here. So you need to link a bank or link a card. Click on either of these and link one. It is pretty easy. Select your PayPal cash card in the wallet tab, locate and select your PayPal cash card. Click on the lock card and then confirm the lock and your card will be locked. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that's everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.